What is up, everybody? This is Kimchi Yongsen, and this is my channel, Learn English with Chris Teacher. And today's topic that we're going to look at is telling the time UK style. So let me give you an introduction. So telling the time can seem like a daunting challenge to new learners. Now add to that the way British people read time, which is completely different to how you probably learnt it in school. But today I'm going to show you how to read time the British way. So let's get into today's video. So let's start off by looking at a standard clock, but without the minutes and hour hands. So as you can see, you have the numbers 1 to 12 indicating the hours. Then around the clock are the little lines which indicate the minutes. So let's have a look at it on the next page. So here I shrunk it down and put the minutes going up in fives, starting from 12, which is 00, which is on the hour. Then going to 1, which is 5. 2 is 10 minutes. 3 is 15. Then 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then back to the hour. So this is how we count minutes in a standard clock. However, the British style is very different, that you'll see later in the video. So let's split our clock in half. Now in the UK, in Britain, we have to the right hand side past the hour and to the left hand side to the hour. So when the minute hand is going to the right hand side all the way up to the 6, that is past the hour. And then from what would be 31 minutes all the way to 59 minutes, that is to the hour. So in the UK, 30 is the past the hour, not to the hour. So this might not make sense now, but it will make more sense later in the video. So then in the UK, we split our clock into 4 sections. So 12 being o'clock or on the hour. But then we have 15, 30 and 45. So 15 we call quarter past. 30 we call half past. And then quarter to is 45. So if you imagine this split into 4, you have the first quarter, then you have the half, then you have 3 quarters, but for some reason we only count it as quarter to rather than 3 quarters to. And then if you have the full circle, it is again on the hour. So then on the right hand side, past the hour will go round 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, and half past. These indicate the minutes. So where you'd normally read a clock, like 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, we class it as 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, and half past. Okay, so if you notice on the left hand side, the numbers are still going up: 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. However, in the UK, we do something a little strange and we start counting backwards, as you'll see on this picture. So after half past, we start counting backwards because we're going to count to the hour. So when you get to the 7:25, that is 25 minutes until we hit the hour. The 8 will be 20 minutes until we hit the hour. And then the 45, what was 45, 15 now, is quarter to the hour, then 10 to the hour and 5 to the hour, and then you hit the hour. So this might seem a little complicated now, but I'm going to start putting in the timers so we can start, or the hands, sorry, so we can start looking at the time, how we tell time in the UK. So for example, we're going to look at past first. So here in, say, America, you would say 1:15 AM or PM. In the UK, we say quarter past 1, meaning it is 15 minutes or quarter past the hour. So at 00, it would be 1 o'clock, and now 15 minutes later, it's quarter past 1. So then, when we go 5 past the hour, so in America this time would be 10:05. However, in the UK, we say 5 past 10, meaning it's 5 minutes past 10 o'clock. And then when we have half past, so this again in America would be 12:30 a.m. or p.m. In the UK, we say it's half past 12, meaning it's 30 minutes, which is half of the clock, half past 12. Now, this is where it gets complicated because we count backwards and to the next hour. So here, the big hand is pointing to the 7 or the 25, and the little hand is pointing at between the 3 and the 4. So here in America, you would say 3:35. But in the UK, we are counting to the next hour, so it is 25 to 4, meaning it's 25 minutes to 4 o'clock. So on the right hand side, it's past the hour that has just gone, and on the left hand side, it's to the hour that is coming up. Let's have a look at another one. So this one, again in America, would be 7:50, but in the UK, the big hand's pointing to the 10, and the little hand is pointing between the 7 and the 8. So we would say it's 10 minutes to 8 p.m., 10 to 8. So let's have a look at one more. So here again, it's 1:45, but in the UK, we would say it's 1:45. So meaning you've got 15, so when we split it into 4, it's quarter. So it means 15 minutes until we reach 2 p.m. Okay, test time. Let's see if you have learnt anything from this video. Have a look at this time. You have 10 seconds to correctly answer in the right-hand side of the box, correctly answer what time do you think this is. Is it 20 past 2, 10 past 4, 20 to 2, or 10 to 5? You have 10 seconds. Right. So the correct answer was 10 past 4. The big hand is pointing to the 2, which we know is 10 minutes past the hour because the right hand side is past. And then the little hand, is pointing to the 4, which is the hour. So we know it's 10 minutes past 4 o'clock. So 10 past 4. Okay, here's the next one. You have another 10 seconds. Is this time 55 past 6, half past 6, 25 to 11, or 5 to 7? You have 10 seconds to correctly find the answer. Right, the correct answer was 5 to 7. So remember, when we split the clock in half, the left-hand side is to the hour. But we got to look at to the next hour that it is. So the big hand is pointing to the 11, which would normally be 55. But because we're looking at to the hour, it is 5 minutes until you hit the next hour. And the little hand is between the 6 and the 7, meaning it's going to be 7 o'clock in 5 minutes. So we say 5 to 7. Okay, the next one. Is this one quarter to 5, quarter past 4, 5 to 45, or 45 to 5? Right, you have 10 seconds. Okay, let's have a look at the correct answer, which was quarter to 5. So remember, you split the clock into 4 sections. The 12, 3, 6, and 9. The 3 and the 9 are quarter. The quarter, either quarter past or quarter to. So because it's on the left-hand side, we know it is to the hour. And then if you look at the small hand, it's in between the 4 and the 5, meaning it's going to be quarter or 15 minutes until we reach 5 p.m. or 5 a.m. So the answer is quarter to 5. Okay, next question. What time is it? Is it 1:30, 2:30, 1:30, or 1:30? You have 10 seconds. Okay, let's have a look at the correct answer. It was 1:30. So remember, the 6 is 30 for 30 minutes. So the big hand is pointing to the 6-minute minutes, and we always class 30 as half of the clock, and it's always past the hour, never to the hour. And then the little hand is pointing to the 1, so we can say it's 1:30 or half an hour past 1 o'clock. Okay, last question. What is this time? Is it 9:45, 9:45, 10:15, or 9:15? You have 10 seconds. Okay, the answer is 9:15. Okay, so the big hand, the minutes, is pointing to 3, which we know if we split the clock into 4 is quarter. And then the right hand side of the clock is past the hour. And then the little hand is pointing to the 9, so we know the hour is 9. So we say 9:15. Okay, leave in the comment section below what your score was. Hopefully you got them all correct. I hope you've learned something in this video. This is my first video since being back in South Korea. So my apartment isn't set up yet to record my video for the, or record my face for the videos. So next time, hopefully I'll have it set up for you. So thanks again for watching. Please check out my other videos. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, have a good week. Bye.